Hey guys, we are back here with the Winnebago, and I want to talk to you about the difference between this old primitive PPF versus the high quality film that we use in our shop today. The film on this Winnebago was installed at a dealer. Every edge is visible and exposed, leaving you with a product that's very noticeable. Here at Ceramic Coat Texas, we do a seamless install. What that means is that we're going to take every edge here and tuck it and wrap it behind the panel of your vehicle, leaving you with a product you won't even know is there. This film is also not very durable. It's made from a subpar material that's thin, it's hazy, and it's gonna lead to yellowing and fading over time. That's why the client has asked us to remove it for them. Let's talk about the film that we use here in our shop, Suntek. Suntek is a leading brand in the industry. Suntek film is comprised of high quality materials designed to withstand the rigor of the road. This film will be thicker with a higher level of clarity. Here at Ceramic Coat Texas, all of our film is installed by our certified technicians with years of experience. If you're interested in having paint protection film installed on your vehicle, you can shoot us a message or go to ceramiccoattexas.com today to get in touch with our team.